So I help people really look at the big picture, their debt, their cash flow, and make sure they're going to have more money in a lot of cases than they had when they were working. Wouldn't that be great? If you're making $8,000 net a month now, wouldn't it be great to retire with $10,000 a month? It means you've got a raise to retire. A lot of people, they can't afford not to retire because there's more money sitting there in cash flow than when they were actually working. That's my goal with each and every client I work with. What we want to do is a discovery call. You go to my YouTube channel, you hit book a call, pick a time, put it on the calendar. There's no cost, there's no obligation. And basically, I'm going to learn a little bit about you and your circumstances. And I will ask you just some key questions. They're harmless. I'm not looking for any personal information. Just tell me what you want to tell me so that I can help you determine if I can help you. It's all a matter of, is there a good match here? So what we want to do is uncover and see what kind of things are concerning to you, what kind of assets you have, just generally speaking, and I can give you some ideas on how I can help you. If you like it from that point, we book another call and we start to get to work. Very, very simple.